In a world addicted to noise, opinions, reactions, and constant explanation, the most powerful strategy often goes unnoticed: silence. And Stoic philosophy understood this long before social media, before endless debates, and before the pressure to always prove yourself existed, because silence is not weakness, it is restraint, and restraint is power. When everyone feels the urge to speak, justify, argue, or react, the Stoic chooses to pause, observe, and remain grounded, knowing that most conflicts are fueled not by reality, but by uncontrolled emotions and impulsive words. And this is where the silent strategy begins, by refusing to give external events the power to control your inner state. Because when you react instantly, you surrender authority over your mind. But when you stay silent, you reclaim it. Silence creates space between stimulus and response, and in that space lies freedom. The freedom to think clearly, to act deliberately, and to avoid unnecessary suffering. Because not every comment deserves an answer, not every insult deserves defense, and not every situation requires your energy. And the Stoics believe that wisdom is not measured by how much you say, but by how carefully you choose when to speak. The silent strategy teaches you to listen more than you talk, because listening sharpens perception, and perception reveals truth, while constant talking often exposes insecurity. As those who are confident do not rush to announce themselves, they let their actions speak, and this is why silence often unsettles others, because it cannot be manipulated easily. It does not reveal intentions, and it does not feed emotional chaos. When you remain silent, you deny others the control they seek over your reactions, and this shifts the balance of power back to you, allowing you to move with clarity rather than ego, purpose rather than impulse. Stoicism reminds us that peace is an inside job, and silence is one of its strongest tools, because it protects your focus, preserves your dignity, and keeps your mind free from unnecessary noise. And when you stop reacting to everything, you start directing your life instead of defending it. The silent strategy is also about timing, knowing that words spoken at the wrong moment can cost more than silence ever will, while words spoken with intention can carry immense weight, which is why speaking less makes your voice stronger when it finally matters. This approach does not mean withdrawing from life or suppressing yourself, but choosing mastery over expression, control over chaos, and wisdom over validation. Because true strength is not loud, true confidence does not seek approval, and true power does not announce itself. It is felt. So the next time you feel the urge to explain, argue, or react, remember that silence is not empty. It is full of awareness, discipline, and self-respect. And those who learn to master silence quietly rise above those who are constantly trying to be heard. Because in the end, the calmest mind in the room is often the one in control. If this message resonated with you, and you want more powerful insights from Stoic philosophy that can sharpen your mind and strengthen your inner world, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Because sometimes the most life-changing strategies are the ones no one talks about.